Okay, so in this video we're going to install and set up Pusher for our environment. And to do that real quick, you gotta go to Pusher website. So just open a new browser and then type Pusher. In here you go to the website here. Here, if you don't already have an account, you can create one by signing up here. You can sign in with Google, GitHub, or just create an account. So after you've created an account, you can now go back and sign in into the application. In my case, I'm going to use Google. All right, so once we're inside the application, the landing page changes, but if you land here, just make sure you find the link with channels, and then just click on the channels here. So we can go to our channels, and then we're going to create a new app. So here we're going to name put the name of our application. Don't worry guys, it's quick and easy. Let's just put Live-Wire chat. And here the cluster, you can choose which one is closer to you. If you're in South America, Asia, the US, or anywhere. For me, I'll just put EU. And then here you have an option of creating multiple environments for your application. This is an optional stage if you want to track everything in your application. But in our case, we're not gonna do that. So we can just go straight and just create an app. Right, so our app is now created. Now we have to get the keys. And to do that, just go here on the app. On the left side, just click on app keys. And so the keys of our Live-Wire chat application are now here. If you can see, we have app ID, we have got key, secret, and cluster, the EU that we just chose. So if you see, these are also found in the thing. If you go back to our app, go to config. And here, if you go to broadcasting, you see that in all these keys that are there on the Pusher website are also there in our config here. You have the secret, the app ID, and the cluster, and it's gonna generate a different kind of keys from what you see on the screen right now. So just copy those, like copy the right key that she generated for herself. If you copy this, it will give you an error, of course. Now we gotta go back to our Visual Studio. Here we're gonna open the env file so we can copy these keys. Just go back in env there. If you scroll to the bottom of the env file, you see these Pusher credentials here, like these Pusher options here: Pusher app ID, key, secret, and cluster. So here, just go back to your browser, and then here we can copy this. Let's copy that. Come back, paste it in here. Go back to browser, copy the key. The keys are unique to each person, so you have to make sure you copy the right key for your application. Yes, copy the secret, and then paste it. There, copy the cluster, and then paste it too. So after pasting the keys, we now gotta go to the top a little bit, and then here in the broadcast driver, change it from log to Pusher. All right. So now we have successfully set up our Pusher in the env file, but currently there are no files for Pusher or anything that relates our app to Pusher or Laravel. So we have to install the files with the composer command. So just to get that command, we can go to the Livewire website, and then here go to broadcasting here, and then you can find the command down below on the Pusher channels here. Just copy this command, go back to Visual Studio, open the terminal. Here, find the one which is not currently on the server. Here, paste the command so we can start installing our Pusher to our Laravel application. Okay, so when this is done, now we have the files installed, but we now have to enable Pusher from our config, from our app service provider. Up here in the config, open the app and then scroll down. Here on the service providers here, you're gonna find the broadcasting service provider will be commented out. So just uncomment that, and we have successfully installed Pusher on our application. In the next video, I'm gonna set up a Laravel Echo that we're gonna use to listen to our broadcasting services.